Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic country home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Fantastic country home decor is a warm, nostalgic and elegantly casual interior style that blends time and vintage charm with the relaxed comfort of country living. It is a mix of Shabby farmhouse and cottagecore aesthetics, where antique or vintage-inspired features are painted with soft, feminine details and rustic textures. The features of vintage country home decor: furniture with history. Displays are whitewashed finishes like chalk paint, patina, and filling layers. Scarfy feminine shapes like clover tables, cabriole legs, and spindle chairs. Vintage finds from flea markets, antique stores, or inherited heirlooms. Mix of wood, wicker, and iron for that cozy country feel. Use soft romantic color palette neutrals like cream, antique white, beige, and linen. Pastels, dusty rose, rose green, powder blue, and faded lavender. Accents of gold, bronze, or aged metal. Tips for achieving fantastic country home decor. Mix old and new thoughtfully. Combine genuine vintage pieces like chipped china cabinet or old trunk with modern essentials like a comfy sofa or linen or cotton. Don't go all antique. Balance is key to keeping the space livable and not too museum-like. Stick to a soft, harmonious color palette. Use creamy whites, muted pastels, soft grays, and faded florals to keep the look cohesive. Paint old furniture in chalky white, shades green, dusty pink, or dark egg blue for an instant vintage feel. Use layered cozy textiles, add lace, ruffles, crochet, and embroidery to curtains, pillowcases, and troughs. Mix and match vintage floral prints with stripes or polka dots in faded tones. Decorate with nature. Style spaces with fresh or dried flowers in messengers, enamel pitchers, or glass bottles. Include potted herbs in terracotta pots or tin containers for a farmhouse vibe. Incorporate time-worn accessories. Look for old clocks, picture frames, and mirrors. Use vintage books tied with twine. Rusty lanterns, candelabras, iron keys. Imperfections add charm. Embrace patina and wear. Display collections with character. Showcase crafted items like a stack of vintage suitcases, ironstone plates on an open shelf. Old perfume bottles, teacups, or postcards. Don't clutter. Edit for balance. Add rustic old elements. Use reclaimed old shelves, barn doors, exposed beams, or raw plank tables. Even small details like wooden breadboards or creates adds a grounded country touch. Use mirrors to reflect light, hang on it vintage-style mirrors to brighten up rooms and make them feel larger. Choose mirrors with distressed frames, preferably in white, gold, or soft metallics. Add handmade and DIY touches. Display your own crochet work, embroidery hoops, and hand-painted sign or patchwork. Repurpose old pages, turn a vintage drawer into a wall shelf or a ladder into a blanket rack. Next, embrace simplicity and statement. Let your decor tell a story, like family photos, handwritten recipes, and inherited linens. Avoid perfection. The beauty of this style lies in the soulful, relaxed charm. Bonus: shop smart. Look into the stores, flower markets, estate sales, online vintage shops like Stay, Facebook Marketplace, Charities, etc. Priorities authenticity over quantity. One perfect piece can anchor the entire room. More tips for vintage country home decor. Embrace imperfections. Cracks in pottery, faded upholstery, or chipped paint tell a story. Don't over-restore vintage finds. The old look is part of the charm. Style with baskets and crafts. Use wicker baskets for storing blankets, magazines, or firewood. Display wooden crafts as shelves or stack them for rustic storage. And texture and rural authenticity. Create gallery walls with meaning. Combine vintage frames, black and white family photos, pressed flowers, and old handwritten notes. Use different shapes and finishes for a long, lovingly collected look. Light the stuff softly. Use lamps with shuffled shades, iron candle holders, or messengers lit chants. Opt for warm ambient lights over harsh overhead lighting. Use vintage mirrors creatively. Lay an antique mirror on a metal art dresser. For a casual, elegant vibe, group small mirrors with ornate frames as well as reupholster with character, update chairs or benches, using floral, gingham, or tall fabrics. Mix in burlap or ticking stripes for a more rustic edge. Incorporate antique-inspired hardware, switch cabinet knobs to ceramic floral pools or vintage brass candles. Small details like this make big visual impact. Add vintage touches in unexpected places. Try a lace contained in a powder room window. A messenger toothbrush holder. Use a floral plate hung as well as in the bathroom. Layer patterns with just train. Use a mix of floral, toile, plate, and lace, but keep them in a muted palette. Stick to 2 or 3 dominant prints per room for chosen and clump. Tell a story with vignettes. Group items like an old clock, a bundle of books, and a vase of dried lavender on a tray. These little moments create warmth and personality. Add seasonal touches. Spring. includes fresh flowers, pastel-aged, and floral runners. Summer, linen throws, lemon or herb centerpieces. Fall, mini pumpkins, laid blankets, giant feet. Winter, pine cones, candles, old ornaments, and glass bowls. Avoid anything too modern. Hide your disgusting. Place a TV in a vintage ceremony or surround it with books and decor. Avoid shiny chrome or overly sleek furniture. Go for matte texture or weathered finishes. Use wallpaper or baseboard and floral or tile wallpaper to one wall for a focal point. Use baseboard paneling with white or cream. Gives any room that charming country cottage feel. Repurpose and reinvent. Turn an old door into a headboard. Use vintage teacups as jewelry holders. Hang a vintage ladder horizontally as a wall shelf or pot rack. Even more vintage country home decor tips. Dress your window with romance. Use lace curtains, cotton shades, or ruffle valances to filter natural light softly. Hang curtains high and wide to make rooms feel more open and airy. Consider floral tabacs or vintage brooches to hold them gently. Decorate your travel-owned treasures. Stack vintage suitcases as a nightstand or coffee table. Use an old hat box or travel trunk for storage or display. These items hint as decorate with travel-owned treasures. Stack vintage suitcases as a nightstand or coffee table. Use an old hat box or travel trunk for storage or display. Set up a vintage display cabinet. Fill a glass front hut or open shelves with mismatched china teacups, iron stone pitchers, floral plates, vintage cookbooks. Display items in color groups or seasonal themes. Make use of old linens. Repurpose vintage linens into pillow covers, mounting banners, drawer liners, or framed wall art. Don't worry about stain or holes. They add to the handmade charm. Sleep covers for effortless elegance. Add ruffled or linen sleep covers to own furniture. Choose neutral shades like ivory, autumnal, soft grays for versatility. They are washable and add an easy country elegance. Style a charming kitchen corner. Use open shelving to display enamel art, vintage jars, and wooden spoons. Hang copper pots, open baskets, or giant herbs. Add a small floral curtain under the sink for nostalgic cottage look. Tell your story with family heirlooms. Display framed love letters, old postcards, handwritten recipes, or vintage baby shows. Add a shadow box of family treasures or china tray into a memory card. Stack and decorate with vintage books. Choose books with fabric covers, faded spines, or gold lettering. Tie in bundles with twine or lace for an old world touch. Craft a craft or swing corner. Set up a sweet nook with a winter swing machine, thread spools, and a basket for lace trims. Display in a way that looks charming and useful. It is both decor and office space. Use architectural selfies as art. Hang an old window frame, door panel, or shutter on the wall. Lean it behind a console table or on a mantel for layered dimensions. You can even use them as photo frames or baking foreheads. Keep decor soft and curvy. Avoid hard modern lines. Look for features with curved legs, scalloped edged, arched frames, or ruffled trims. Curves enhance the romantic, cozy vintage vibe. Incorporate found objects. Use unexpected items like old clocks as wall decor, porcelain doorknobs as towel hooks, a drawer front as a mini shelf. These little touches make your space truly unique. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.